Looking for the best electric scooter in 2026? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric scooters of 2026, featuring the AOVOPRO LP60, LADPED 350W, Arwibon GT06, and the powerful Arwibon GT08. Whether you need a lightweight folding scooter for daily commuting, a smart app-controlled ride, or a high-speed off-road beast, this list has something for everyone. We'll compare speed, range, motor power, comfort, portability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect electric scooter for your needs. Make sure to watch until the end, because the #1 scooter on this list might surprise you. Let's get started with the top 5 best folding electric scooters of 2026. At number 5, the LADPED LP60 is an affordable electric scooter built for everyday commuting. Powered by a 350-watt motor, it reaches speeds of up to 19 mph and delivers a range of up to 16 miles on a single charge. Its lightweight, foldable design makes storage and transport effortless, while the 8.5-inch maintenance-free solid tires eliminate the worry of punctures. With dual braking, bright LED lights, smart app control, and a durable aluminum frame supporting up to 265 pounds, the LP60 offers a safe, reliable, and convenient ride that's perfect for daily travel. At number 4, the LADPED is a smart and reliable electric scooter designed for daily commuting. Its 350-watt brushless motor delivers speeds up to 19 mph through the mobile app, while the 10.5 Ah battery provides an impressive range of up to 21 miles. The lightweight foldable design, waterproof construction, and 8.5-inch solid honeycomb tires ensure a smooth, maintenance-free ride. With front and rear lights, dual mechanical and electric brakes, cruise control, digital display, and smart app connectivity, the LP80 offers excellent comfort, safety, and convenience for every journey. At number 3, the Arwibon GT06 is built for riders who want serious power and off-road performance. Its 1200W high-torque motor reaches speeds of up to 25 mph and easily tackles hills with a climbing angle of up to 35 degrees. Choose between 13 amp-hour or 23.4 amp-hour batteries for a range of up to 25 miles. The 11-inch off-road vacuum tires, front and rear spring suspension, and dual disc brakes deliver outstanding comfort, control, and safety. With a foldable design and 330-pound load capacity, the GT06 is ready for any adventure. At number 2, the Arwibon GT06 takes performance to the next level with a powerful 1200W motor, reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Choose between 13 amp-hour or 23.4 amp-hour batteries for up to 25 miles of riding. Its 11-inch off-road vacuum tires, dual spring suspension, and front and rear disc brakes provide exceptional comfort and control on any terrain. The foldable design, fast 2 to 3 hour charging, bright 6-eye LED headlight, and impressive 330-pound load capacity make the GT06 an outstanding choice for commuting, outdoor adventures, and everyday performance. Taking the #1 spot is the Arwibon GT08, a high-performance electric scooter built for speed and adventure. Its massive 5600W motor delivers an incredible top speed of up to 46 miles per hour, while the 60V27AH battery offers a riding range of up to 30 miles. With rugged 11-inch off-road tires, a front disc brake, rear hydraulic brake, and a climbing ability of up to 50 degrees, it's ready for any terrain. The foldable frame and impressive 440-pound load capacity make the GT08 the ultimate choice for power, performance, and versatility.